Hello, visit ABQ. This is our sunset trip, so it is just almost 5 p.m. And yours truly, Positive Terrence. There's our cable car in the red, and there's people in there. Windows are hard to see through, but I just wanted to record this moment before the sunset. So that's how it looks during our sunset. Today is Christmas Eve of December 24th. There's some snow on our mountain out there. It's been over 2.5 weeks since we got snow, but eventually we'll get some more snow. And our tram shadow is on this canyon here. See if I can open this window to get a better shot or view. It's real awesome. Nobody's in here but me. So we closed at 4 p.m. down here, and it's like 5, so it's been like almost an hour of them coming up. So there are people up there that I'm going up to take down. So we closed at the base where people get tickets and go up the tram. So since they're up there, we're gonna focus on bringing them down. So basically I'm just alone in here to focus on bringing people down from up top. It is cold. It's like 28 degrees, so I should wear my thermals, but I'll deal with it for now. Go back down and get some of my gear. Stay warm. That is called a slack carrier. The number was 11, so we checked for those, and there's about 13, 14. It was 12. I didn't zoom in on that. Can't believe this video is going to be 5 minutes right now. Almost said movie. There's slack carrier 13. So yeah, I was wrong. It's 14. I said 13 or 14. It's good to have a repetition, so I gotta remind myself. Even I messed up there, so 9 years here, you forget things here and there. Go up here again, see this? Minutes going in, recording, and you can see a lot of people up here. That's what I like about this job. There's so many people all over the world. So yeah, this whole area was covered in snow 2.5 weeks ago, and it's already melted to only this. This is our west part of the mountain, so it gets most of the sunlight, so it melts on this side. The east part is on the other side, opposite this building, so there's more snow up here. There's other people up here. Josh! All the people waiting to go down. This is them. It's my boy Kian.